The future of the woodworking and furniture manufacturing industry starts here! Get ready for IFMAC WOODMAC 2026, the 13th edition of Indonesia and Southeast Asia's largest woodworking machinery and furniture manufacturing exhibition. 23 to 26 September 2026 at Jakarta International Expo, Kemayoran, Indonesia. Discover advanced technologies and smart manufacturing solutions. New innovation and high-tech solutions, live product demonstrations, and leading brands. From upstream wood processing to furniture manufacturing, surface finishing, and advanced solutions. Connect with industry professionals. Expand your business opportunities. Discover the latest technologies and gain insights from industry experts. And ideas turn into opportunities. One destination for all your business needs. Registration for IFMAC WOODMAC 2026 is now open. Register for free and secure your visit now. Scan the QR code or register online at ifmac.net/visitor registration. See you at IFMAC WOODMAC 2026.